Far long ago, before our times, we've always wanted to perform a muscle up. All the gym goers know when you look across the room and you see the muddy one doing a muscle up. The whole crowd stares in awe as they wish and able to do the skill. So with that being known, you know your boy has to attempt a muscle up. All right, but little disclaimer. Last night, I was actually performing some muscle ups, and honestly, I think I might have gotten it down, but not properly yet. So today's video, our plan is to get everything down packed and 100% correct. So without further ado, let's do it. All right, so we got Mekai. He's about to test our muscle up. Oh, too easy. Too easy. He has his down pack way too easy.
I can do this all day. Bro, that is easy, bro.
Yeah, it is easy, right?
That is different, bro. What's different about it?
Oh, it's easier.
All right, so now really quickly, what's your tips and tricks on muscle ups?
All right, so when I was first learning, there was a day all I could do was pull-ups, and I was like, let me get one of these. I look like the rest of these guys out here trying and failing. So I literally just looked up a 15-second YouTube reel or YouTube short, and literally it has to be all one motion. Once you start trying to separate things and you think too much, it all goes out the window.
Okay.
So you just gotta jump straight into it. As soon as you feel that momentum coming back a little bit, drive those legs. And once you get high enough around that bar, just bend over like this and push, and that's the easy part.
So now 2 different exercises.
Yep.
What should a beginner train in order to learn how to do a muscle up?
I mean, obviously, you gotta be somewhat strong at pull-ups. Like, even though it's a different movement, you still gotta be able to do a few pull-ups in order to hit a muscle up. Dips are cool as well to work on like that push. Because if you can do a lot of dips, this part is easy. Push-ups as well, same thing with the push. But another thing is, when I was starting off, I practiced these half reps of a muscle up, which really helped me. It just looks like this.
Oh, so like knee drives?
Yeah, basically like knee drives, but I'm working on circling the bar rather than going up like a pull-up. Because that's the most important thing, is that you are swinging in and then swinging in a half circle.
Okay.
That's the way to do it.
First, Mekai recommends you swing. So first, obviously grab the bar, and then you need momentum for a muscle up. But you're talking about the knee drives. Also, a little pro tip I just learned, you don't want to grab the bar like you're about to do a pull-up, because a pull-up is a lot different from a muscle up in a way. You kind of want to have your wrist a little inwards.
Easy.
Not gonna lie, a little shaky still, but calluses. If you don't have calluses, your hands are gonna melt instantly. But other than that, pretty much got it. It's looking beautiful. But yeah.
Around the bar.
All right, so right now, we're teaching Usman on how to muscle up.
Oh nah, bro,
so
you failed already. You failed already, Usman.
I can't.
All right,
no, don't hang. No, but don't hang. You gotta go straight into it. Like, ready? Watch me swing and then watch the difference. If I stand like this. Oh wait, I can do it. But if I swing into it, Like if you walk into the bar and just immediately go, it's 1,000 times easier. So like, watch this. Light work. It becomes easy.
I almost got it. I couldn't.
I'm telling you, G, it's not as hard as you think.
I couldn't finish. I've done it before. I just lost it all.
Bro, so this is what you gotta do.
So day 5. We'll get on day 5.
Like I said, don't hang. Jump
hang
on,
on that
go straight into it. Use a lot of leg drive at first. Once you get here, bro, dip over, and that's the easy part.
You're part of the video now, so you have to hit one.
Go on.
The new video, well, the new title of the video is teaching a noob how to muscle up.
Yeah. Get it done. I just told you. Bro, no monkey action. Just go and do it. Don't swing like you're on vines, G.
I don't know if that counts.
Did he climb up there?
He kind of jumped.
Okay.
I jumped a little bit.
Bro,
Yeah.
that was a little sketchy.
You did it, but you kind of jumped.
You gotta give me another one.
I can't now.
All right, so bro, like I said, you can do this if you want, but unless you're experienced in muscle ups, you're not gonna get it unless you go straight into it.
I thought that was going.
So you can jump, but you have to make sure that you're using the
I
proper
didn't
form.
realize I jumped. Cooked.
You know?
No, but 100%, my palms are sweaty, so I definitely do need chalk to maintain grip. But other than that, I think we got it. I just got to continue repping it out.
Yep.
But yeah.